Today I'm going to get this seat fixed up. Seat on the FJR here is going to be redone and hopefully made a lot more comfortable. So the first thing we discussed with Mitch Sampson, the proprietor there at Newcastle Custom Trim, was what we wanted to achieve, which was to give the seat extra padding to make it more comfortable, but also to raise the level of the foam so that I could move forward and backwards and have a bit more room from foot peg to seat distance, because I'm tall and I wanted it a bit higher. So what he's done is he's shaped this medium density pink foam to suit what my requirements were, and he's cut it and sanded it, trimmed it, and then glued it onto the old foam because the old foam makes a great base for what we want to achieve. There's nothing particularly wrong with it apart from the fact that it's getting a little bit old and a little bit tired. So he's then used his skills and his experience to shape the foam to be the right density and the right levels around the edges and things like that. And then he's added a thin layer of softer blue foam there to both the pillion seat and the rider's seat for a bit of extra comfort. And then he's put the original seat cover back on because they're heat sealed, they won't leak, and it keeps the original look of the bike. Most people would never know it's been done. And then that's it. Hold things back together, ready to go back on the bike. Newcastle Custom Trim can also modify existing seats, make them lower, make them higher, give them new seat covers, or build complete custom motorcycle seat designs, whatever you need. Talk to them, see what they can do for you.